In this video, you'll learn how to connect Airtable to Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate your Airtable account with Mailchimp for seamless data management. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser, and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which provides access to your account features. Next, locate the integrations option on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on it to open the integrations page. This area displays various third-party applications that can be connected to your Mailchimp account. After that, you will find a search bar on the integrations page. Type SyncGrip into the search bar and press enter. The results will display apps related to your search, and you should see SyncGrip listed among them. Once this appears, click on the SyncGrip integration option. This will take you to the SyncGrip integration page, where you can get started with the connection process. Here you will find details about how SyncGrip works with Mailchimp. Click on the Get Started button on the SyncGrip page. This action will redirect you to the SyncGrip setup interface, where you can begin the connection process between Airtable and Mailchimp. Next, find the option labeled Airtable to Mailchimp on the SyncGrip dashboard. Click on it to initiate the integration specifically for transferring data from Airtable into Mailchimp. After that, click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your SyncGrip account credentials. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one at this point. Once signed in, you will be directed to the SyncGrip dashboard again. Locate and click on the Mailchimp option to proceed with connecting your Mailchimp account. Now, you should see a prompt to authorize the connection with Mailchimp. Click on Continue with Google if you are using a Google account for Mailchimp. This action will redirect you to the Google login screen. A message will appear asking you to authorize SyncGrip to access your Mailchimp account. Review the permissions and click on the Authorize button to confirm the integration. Finally, we'll see a confirmation message asking you to allow SyncGrip access to your Mailchimp account. Click Allow to complete the integration process. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the SyncGrip dashboard, indicating that the connection was successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.